Hi there again, everybody. Boyd here with you, and welcome to another video update. Well, this is a quick update to show you guys what I've been working on here for the Joe's gas station diorama. We started off with the Melbatos car, the 70 Chevelle from Dazed and Confused, and I dropped a little hint there on the last video about the next car we were going to build to add to the diorama. You can see this is the 70 GTO kit by MPC. I'm actually going to be building Pickford's car. That's the other one of the other kind of well-known cars from the movie Dazed and Confused. It was a beautiful 70 GTO Judge in orbit orange with a black vinyl top. And so I've gathered up everything I need to do that car. The GTO kit here from MPC is getting pretty hard to find, like I talked about. And it doesn't come with all the parts you need to do an actual GTO Judge. You know, the rear wing we have here is kind of weird. It's not the right one. There's a chin spoiler that's missing. You know, there's a lot of different things. The PMD wheels that this kit comes with aren't exactly accurate. And the body's, you know, got some issues with it, mainly up here in the front where the headlights are molded in and things like that, which, you know, doesn't look that great. So what I went ahead and did is I ordered this aftermarket resin body from Reliable Resin. I want to thank Don over there. Don's a really nice guy. I actually ordered this thinking I was ordering the entire, you know, GTO Judge upgrade kit. But I just ordered the body, and so he went ahead and sent me all the upgrade stuff with it when he found out what I was really looking for. And just want to say a nice shout out to Don for doing that. I had a nice talk with him on the phone. These are beautiful parts. Just want to, you know, show you a quick look at these. This is the resin body here on the left, and this is the kit body. You can see that the kit body doesn't have the nose piece molded onto it, and it's already done here for you on the Reliable Resin version. I went ahead and cleaned it all up. It had the usual, you know, flash around the windows and a few spots like that, you know, typical on a resin mold. Very easy, though. I only spent about an hour on it and got it all cleaned up really nice. It's beautifully shaped. I don't see anything distorted or anything like that on it. I don't see any pits or anything. It looks really good. So we'll give that a really nice wash with some, you know, soap water and make sure we get all the mold release off of it and everything before we prep it. But the nice thing about his upgrade set here is you get all the extra goodies that you don't get with the MPC kit, which you get the correct go wing here for the rear trunk. You get the ram air, you know, air cleaner setup here, which is really nice. These really beautiful PMD wheels, which I haven't touched yet. They just need some minor, you know, get the flash off of them and everything, but they're beautifully molded. Got the really nice GTO correct for the Judge grill inserts here, the hood, and we've got the side mirrors, which don't come with the kit at all. Now, the car in the movie looks like it only had one basic chrome mirror, similar to what I did on the Melbatos car, so I'm going to have to scare up another chrome mirror. But these are the double sport mirrors if you wanted to put those on. Got the hood tack. You got two different shapes for the hood tack, which they did have a couple variances on those with the original Pontiac cars. You have the lenses that go inside here for the mirror inserts and everything. So this is a really, really nice little upgrade set. You got the chin spoiler here, which we needed as well. So I've got pretty much everything I need now. A couple little other bags he gave me here were some clear headlight lenses, some parking light lenses in both clear and amber, which you can see in here if you look really close, kind of right here. Some more headlight clear lenses and some more clear parking light lenses. So I have my options as far as what I want to do there. Over here, when I bought this kit, these were actually included with it. These are a set of decals from Keith Marks to do the GTO Judge markings on the car, which are pretty hard to find. So what I've got to do with these is you can see it's going to be similar to what I did on the California Kid. These look like they have to be laid down and then another color has to put over the top of it. I have to go in and do my research here and find out what colors I'm going to need. I think it's going to be blue and the red and the pink or something like that that goes with the orbit orange. They had specific color combinations, but I'll check out the, you know, some screenshots from the movie and stuff like that and get them all worked out. So I can use this, you know, basic, you know, chassis, interior and everything for the, you know, the rest of the GTO for the Judge for the car, and just use the body, and I'll be able to use the kit glass and everything. Everything else, the rear bumper, you know, the rear tail light lenses, all that stuff is going to work. Now, one thing I want to mention, if you wanted to get one of these, or you want to do a 70 GTO, you can get the 72 GTO kit by MPC, which is a lot easier to find, and then just go ahead and get the body from Reliable Resin, and then you'll have the 70 GTO, you know, body with the correct front end and everything. You'll get the hood and everything with it. You can use the interior chassis and everything, the engine and the rear bumper from the 72 is correct on the, will fit on the 70. They're exactly the same. So all that's different is really the front end. And you'll have, I think the 72 still comes with a 455 engine and all that. So you can upgrade that to a 70 GTO Judge if you want to. The 72 kits are plentiful. I've seen those on eBay for like 10 or 15 bucks all over the place. So that's an option you might want to go to. And then if you want to upgrade fully, you can always order these extra little goodies that Don has there. If you go over to Reliable Resin, you'll see they have a lot of really cool stuff. Bodies, engine parts, wheels, all kinds of goodies for the little hot rod project you're working on. I actually got a couple ideas for a couple more movie cars that I wanted to do when I was over there looking around. So really cool stuff. So I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on this. I'm really busy doing client work right now, like I mentioned, so it'll be a couple of weeks before I actually get started on this, but when I do, I'm really looking forward to it. It should turn out really nice. I've just got to figure out how I want to do my vinyl top, and I've got to do the chrome trim that, cuts the vinyl top off from the rest of the body, and figure out how I'm going to do that. I think I've already got an idea how I'm going to do the texturing and everything on that, so I'm really looking forward to it. It should turn out really nice. I hope it turns out as good as the Chevelle did. And might do a couple other vehicles from Dazed and Confused to throw into the diorama. There was the old Chevy truck that was in there. There were a couple other cool cars, and it looks like there's some kits available to come pretty close to those. So, but we'll see what happens. For now, I'm going to be working on the 70 GTO Judge. So, okay, guys, that's it for this update. I just wanted to give you a look at this. Again, this Reliable Resin, if you want to check them out, very, very good quality. I'm really happy with it, and thanks again, Don. I'll give you a nice shout-out. Great guy to talk to on the phone, and yeah, very experienced modeler himself. He's done some outstanding award-winning model builds. So check out Reliable Resin when you get a chance, guys. All right, we'll catch you in the next video, everybody. Take care, and happy modeling, everyone.